welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to discuss how you can prepare for IELTS. So this is a 5 weeks course, a complete course, and you can prepare for IELTS free of cost. So here you can see two folders named as academics and general. So these are two types of the IELTS. Basically, academics is for the study purpose. If you are going abroad for the study purpose, so you have to give IELTS academics, and if you wish to go for job purpose abroad, so you have to give IELTS general test. So these are two basic types of the IELTS. So let me open the IELTS academic so I can discuss in detail. So you can see these are the PDF files, and these are according to week wise distributed in different files. So you can see reading, writing, speaking and listening. So these are the different parts of the IELTS. So we will discuss one by one. So first of all, let me open the introduction PDF file. So how you can use this course and how you can prepare for the IELTS. So you can see this is the guideline how to use this self-study program for IELTS preparation. So here you can see these are the different 5 parts of the IELTS test, and so the course is divided into 5 different weeks. So here you can see some other details. So after that you can see each section has between 2 and 3 hours of activities. So this course is 5 days a week, and every section has 2 to 3 hours of activities. So these are some details about the this. So you can also read by opening this PDF, and after that you can see which IELTS test should I have, academics or general. So we already discussed about this, and you can also read this. So this is written as the two types of the IELTS. So we have already discussed, and after that you can scroll down and further you can read all these. So next one is should I take the paper based or computer based. So there are two types of the attempt of IELTS. You can attempt via computer or through paper based. So it depends upon you. And after that some other activities like you can read newspaper and other activities to practice some more. So this was all about the some general guidelines for using this complete course for the IELTS preparation. So this is not just a course, but it's also you can perform some activities, and it is very interesting for the IELTS preparation. So after reading this you can open our other PDF files like that, just opening here. So this is the listening week, and here you can say day wise, day 1 and day 2 and day 3, day 4. So you can scroll down and check all these. So these are according to day wise. So you can attempt one PDF file one day, and you can prepare according to that. So this was all about the listening week, and same goes for the other modules of reading, writing and speaking. So I think now you can easily understand how you can open these PDF files, and you can study for the IELTS preparation. And same goes for the IELTS General, and as we already discussed for the IELTS Academics, and the same processes for the IELTS General. So you can prepare for both, or either you want to give test, so you have to prepare for that test. And I will add both these folder in the description, so you can just click on the link from the description and open these complete PDF files from the description link. So I will give the link of both these folders, and you can easily access from the description. So this was all about the IELTS self-study preparation through British Council, and it is very helpful for the IELTS preparation. So I hope this video will help you regarding IELTS preparation free of cost. So if you like this video, you can share with your friends and family circle, so that they can also take benefit from this video. So stay tuned, stay updated for the more beautiful content like that. Till that, take care. Allah Hafiz.